Have you ever wondered what makes a leader truly great? Is it the lands they conquer, the wealth they gather, or is it something deeper, something that echoes through the centuries? A man once said, "I am the punishment of God. If you had not committed great sins, God would not have sent a punishment like me upon you." These are the stark, powerful words attributed to Genghis Khan. For many, his name conjures images of a fierce warrior, a ruthless conqueror. And while that part of his story is true, it is not the entire story. There is another side to the man born as Temujin, a side that holds lessons for all of us. Genghis Khan was a visionary, an innovator, and a unifier. Long before he was Genghis Khan, he was a boy named Temujin. His life did not begin with greatness, it began with hardship. Imagine being a young boy, your father suddenly poisoned by rivals, your clan abandoning you. He faced starvation, betrayal, and was even captured and enslaved. It was a brutal beginning that would have broken most people. But it did not break Temujin. Instead, it forged him. Every hardship became a lesson. When hungry, he learned to hunt. When betrayed, he learned the value of loyalty. Think of it like building a house. Temujin wasn't given fine tools and perfect blueprints. He was given broken stones and splintered wood, learning to find strength in flawed materials. This is the first lesson from his life. Our beginnings do not define our endings. The challenges we face can become our greatest strength. One powerful story from Temujin's youth involves his mother teaching a lesson about unity. She gave each son a single arrow, telling them to break it. Each snapped his arrow with ease. Then she bound 10 arrows together. None of them could break the united arrows. This became a cornerstone of Genghis Khan's philosophy. Think of it like a sports team. If every player only cared about their own goals, running wherever they pleased, they would surely lose. A winning team works together, communicates, trusts each other, and shares a single goal. Genghis Khan was brilliant, but he knew he wasn't an expert in everything. This humility was his most surprising trait. As he conquered new lands, he didn't destroy them. Instead, he sought out the smartest people, engineers, scholars, administrators. He wasn't afraid to say, "I don't know, but you do, teach me." Before Genghis Khan, Mongol law was chaotic. Justice was revenge, leading to endless violence. He created the yasa, a code of laws that applied to everyone equally, from servant to general. It created such security that a person could walk across the empire with gold and not be harmed. It mandated religious freedom, centuries ahead of its time. Think of the yasa like traffic rules. It doesn't matter if you drive a sports car or old truck. A red light means stop for everyone. These rules keep everyone safe and traffic flowing. Without them, roads would be chaos and crashes. In Temujin's world, your birth decided your future. If your father was a chief, you had power. Genghis Khan believed the best person should get the job, regardless of background. Imagine two basketball teams. One picks players based on rich parents, the other on skill. Which wins? The answer is obvious. Genghis Khan's empire eventually fractured, as all empires do. Yet his impact echoes through history, not in borders, but in ideas he set in motion. He showed us that unity turns weakness into strength, that leaders must be students, and societies thrive on fair rules and merit. These lessons aren't confined to the 13th century. They're blueprints for stronger families, more effective companies, and more just communities. So let's ask ourselves, where can we apply these lessons? How can we unite our teams, learn from others, promote fairness? Genghis Khan's story is not just a tale of a distant warrior, it's a mirror, reflecting universal truths about leadership and human potential. What will we choose to see in that reflection, and how will we use it to shape our own world? The discussion, like his legacy, is far from over.